Well, folks, we got a pretty good little snow here on the eve of the 25th, and this is all what it looks like. I'm standing here with, I think about 11, 12-inch boots. They're calf-high boots, and they're almost all the way up. Those drifts are almost all the way up to the top of my boots, and we've got beautiful, beautiful snow. Big snow here in Arkansas. I think you could call it a blizzard because we had some pretty high winds too, and some snow thunder, some big booms last night. We'll go around and look at the front of the house. Here's what it looks like on my street. It's my neighbor's house. Across the street neighbor, right there. And that's part of my yard right there. And my house. And the wife and the youngin' playing in the driveway. My dogwood covered in snow. Right out here, I can't see too good. I hung icicle lights on the house this year, and let me tell you what, I got real icicles this time. There's my neighbor's house right there. Give a good look around. Suzanne and the boy having fun. Oh boy. See y'all on the flip side. Here comes the truck. Alright everybody, we're about to take a sled ride. Hang on. Oh. Oh. Wipe out. Look at that. You having a good time?
Yeah.
You ready to go sledding by yourself?
Yeah.
Going down that big hill? All right, here we go. Here we go.
Here comes the car. I ain't gonna be able to get can't get out in the car. Lightning.